I don't know how to say this, but I've been an extremist before. Hi, I'm Shivani, and this is episode 19 of 25 Things I'm Leaving Behind in 2025 that you probably should do. I had this thought for a long time. It came from watching a lot of movies and TV shows and quietly feeling a tension I could not explain before. I wrote it down immediately because I knew I was sensing something real, but didn't yet have the language for it. The thought was basically the clash between obvious propaganda and deeply relatable art, and how to actually enjoy without feeling too extreme about it, and how difficult it is to enjoy something while being aware of both at the same time. Back then, I felt confused. I kept catching things in scenes, subtext, patterns, contradictions, that I would stop myself. Tell myself that I was overthinking, that I was projecting, that maybe the writer didn't mean any of it. But recently, I came across a term that helped me make sense of it. It's called cinematic juxtaposition. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's basically a storytelling technique where two scenes, ideas, or visuals are placed next to each other to create meaning through contrast. The power does not come from either moment alone, but how audience infer the scene by watching it back to back. Apparently, filmmakers use this technique to communicate complex ideas quickly, and that's when I realized something about myself. For the longest time, my response to this complexity would be extremism. I would either fully dismiss something as propaganda or fully surrender to it as art. I did not know how to sit in the discomfort of both being true at the same time. But art is rarely innocent and rarely useless either. Something can be beautifully made and still carry bias. It can move you emotionally and still be shaped by an agenda. But being aware of both does not mean you cannot fully enjoy it. I know I've taken a lot of time to come to the point, but this year the goal is simple: learning to hold two ideas at once and not being an extremist about it. But also at the same time, enjoying compelling art without turning my brain off.